Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with some happy mail I received. This comes from my friend Tree from Craft On here on YouTube. And she actually has sent me this last week and I'm barely getting a chance to open it today. So let's go ahead and see what she sent. Oh, my amazing friend. OMG. So, look at you guys. Look at. So, I saw somebody on Instagram a few weeks ago that posted a teacup. And I told Tree that, OMG, I needed that teacup. I'm like, I need this die. So anyways, she has a scan and cut. So she went to her scan and cut little shop and she die cutted some for me. So thank you so much, Tree. And look at how she did this. This is so cute. I can't wait to play with it. Thank you so much, Tree. So anyways, let me go ahead and see. She also sent this. Sorry, I am holding my camera, you guys, so it's on my leg. So I don't want to move a lot because I don't want to get you guys dizzy. So she made this cute little crochet flower, and she had sent me some of these a few oh my gosh, a few months ago, and I barely started using them. And I was like, Tree, I don't know what to do in the middle. I need something in the middle. She's like, put some bling. Hello. And then she sent me one like that. So how cute. So this is, I think this is that new paper pad Maggie Holmes has the garden some garden party something. You guys know me, I can't remember stuff. So how cute. This is so cute. So anyways, so let's go ahead and see what she sent me. Oh my goodness, look at Tree is such an amazing person. She crocheted these cute little buttons. Aren't these cute? And she made flowers into them. OMG. So she went ahead and die cut some, or scan and cut some of these, and then she just went ahead and crochet over them. That is such an amazing idea. Okay, so you guys, I'm holding this and I am looking at it the way you guys are seeing it. So let's go ahead and see. How cute. So anyways, she has a pocket here. Oh, she made, see, Tree, this is flat mail right here. So I think this is your flat mail. Is this your flat mail? Oh my gosh. So she made a pocket. She made a binder with pockets in here. And OMG, look at how cute. OMG. Let me see. Okay, I'm not going to put that back on there. I'm holding my camera and I am doing this one-handed. So this is a little harder than I haven't done one-handed camera videos in a while. So, oh, this is so cute. So there you go. And this is the last one. Oh my goodness. So this is right here. So cute. So, and then she has another pocket right here on the side. And then, of course, oh, okay, those are tags. And these are pieces of the paper pad, I think, the cut aparts. OMG. OMG. How cute. This is so cute. I like this vintage looking. How cute. And then she has a pocket in here. So see, Tree, this is a good flat mail. Oh, I think she put, and this is supposed to be like this. That is cute. Oh, I love that idea. And here's another one. There you go. That's so beautiful. And then she put some tags in here. So this by itself, without this is a little bulky. Could have fit into a envelope, and she could have sent it out for 1 to 2 stamps, and voila. That is so cute. And I think this is a collection of the paper pad, just extra scraps, and she just made it into a tag. And this one's another one. Excuse you guys, my son. I'm upstairs and my son just, yeah, you guys heard it. So there you go. And this is a pocket right here. So sorry you guys, I have to There you go. This is what it looks like. And there is another tag in here. I have almost missed it. There's another tag right there, and there is another one of these. Those are cute. So cute. So she sent me all in threes. So 1, 2, 3, and then, sorry guys, like I told you guys, doing this one-handed, so I am like guesstimating where my hand's going. So there's 1, 2, 3, and the 3 buttons. So, oh my goodness, thank you so much, Tree. Thank you. This is so cute. I love it. And then, oh, let me go show you the back. So cute. And then the cut parts. And then she sent me some ribbon and a tag. Oh, how cute. That is so cute. That goes so well with that collection. And then not too sure what the measurements are. A frayed ribbon, 9 feet. Not too sure what that means. 100% polyester. Huh. So cute. Thank you so much, Tree. You guys, oh my gosh, I can't wait to play with this. Thank you so much for this, Tree. Thank you, Tree, again. And everybody, thank you for taking the time to watch. I will link Tree down under description below. She is Craft on here on YouTube, so go over and visit her channel if you guys have not yet. But thank you again. We'll see you guys in our next video. Bye for now.